Hi friends, again welcome back to our YouTube channel English Academy. How does the family atmosphere of a person affect his English learning? Is it impossible that a family atmosphere, a good family atmosphere that is friendly to English is necessary to learn English? That we are discussing today. Recently a student came to me to learn English. He is from a poor family, and his parents are farmers. But his mother, even she is illiterate, she has a strong concern about her child. She has a strong concern about her child's English education. She knows only English education can support her son to go to the higher levels, to attain a higher marks or high level in his life. At the same time, his father is also very concerned about the English education. Really, their son is in Malayalam media. He don't have a good knowledge of English. He came to me and began to study English. When he came to me, he don't know even right words. He don't know even auxiliary verbs. But now, 2 weeks after, he know English at least a little bit. He speak English at the same time write English a little bit. What support his family had given to him is important. See, we want more parents like this. We want a friendly atmosphere to the students to improve their language in their homely atmosphere too. Otherwise, teachers can support our students. So again, I told you, English Academy is continuing our spoken English classes. The most important support is needed from their parents. If the parents are ready to support our students, surely they improve their language. An English friendly atmosphere is needed in their home. An English friendly atmosphere is needed. Again, ഞങ്ങൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അക്കാഡമിയുടെ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനെ എങ്ങനെ ഫാമിലി സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതായിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങളുടെ കമൻറ്റുകൾ, അതാണ് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ. നിങ്ങളുടെ കമൻറ്റുകളായിരിക്കും അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ. റൈറ്റ്?